Welcome back to BG News, where we bring you the latest insights into the world of technology. Today, we're diving into the future of artificial intelligence and how it's transforming industries in 2024. AI has come a long way since its inception, and its impact on various sectors is becoming increasingly evident. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing patient care with predictive analytics and personalized treatment plans. Hospitals are utilizing AI-powered tools to diagnose diseases more accurately and efficiently than ever before. In finance, AI algorithms are driving investment strategies, detecting fraud, and streamlining customer service. Financial institutions are harnessing the power of AI to make data-driven decisions in real time, optimizing portfolios and enhancing security measures. Manufacturing is another sector experiencing a significant transformation due to AI. Smart factories equipped with AI-powered robotics are increasing productivity, reducing errors, and enabling agile production processes. AI-driven predictive maintenance is minimizing downtime and maximizing operational efficiency. Transportation is also undergoing a revolution with the integration of AI. From self-driving cars to autonomous drones, AI is paving the way for safer and more efficient transportation systems. Smart traffic management powered by AI is alleviating congestion and improving overall mobility in urban areas. But perhaps one of the most profound impacts of AI is in the realm of education. Personalized learning platforms powered by AI algorithms are catering to individual student needs, enhancing engagement, and improving outcomes. AI tutors are providing instant feedback and adapting lesson plans in real time, revolutionizing the way we learn. However, with these advancements come ethical considerations and challenges. Issues such as data privacy, algorithmic bias, and job displacement must be addressed to ensure that AI benefits society as a whole. As we look ahead to the future of AI in 2024 and beyond, one thing is certain: its impact will continue to be profound and far-reaching. Whether it's in healthcare, finance, manufacturing, transportation, or education, AI is reshaping industries and transforming the way we live and work. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the exciting world of technology.